Hi, my name is Kaylee Keller. Today the speech is for online speech through Labette Community College. You know what? Spring is here, and that means gardening. I bet a lot of you plant a garden and buy your plants already established from a greenhouse or a nursery. Well, here's a way that you can avoid that. Starting seeds at home. We're going to be planting them in an egg carton. Here's some of the materials you're going to need. First, a paper egg carton, not styrofoam. This ensures that it'll biodegrade when you plant it in the ground later on. You're going to need potting soil, a hand shovel, a pen and a pencil, scissors, your desired seeds, a spray bottle, and a shallow tray. First, what you're going to want to do is be careful because there's many sharp objects such as the scissors and the shovel that you're going to want to be aware of. Also, your soil may contain some kind of fertilizer, so it's best not to ingest this. The first step is to separate the top and bottom of your egg carton. This ensures that your seedlings can get sunlight. By doing this, we're going to just take the scissors and separate them. Your next step is to fill each section with soil. The soil I'm using today is a cactus fast draining soil. Any kind of soil will work. This just ensures that I did not need to poke holes for drainage. If you don't have a fast draining soil, you're going to take either your pen or your pencil and poke holes in each of the sections. This allows your soil to not hold water, causing your seeds to rot. Next, take your shovel and fill each hole with soil. When you do this, you want to make sure that it doesn't cover each of these dividers. That way you can separate your plants easily once they've grown. To save time, I have already got one started. Here is the prepared one. Next, you can take your finger or the pencil and poke about ½ inch deep hole in each section. Next, you're going to take your seeds. I have chosen sunflowers and cilantro. This can work for flowering plants or fruiting plants. You're going to want to take one seed per holder. This ensures that your seeds don't grow too fast and you have too many growing in such a small vicinity. Once you've done that, you're going to need to take a little bit of additional soil. According to jonathangreen.com, you only need about ¼ inch of soil on each one. This allows your plants to not dry out from too much sunlight or have the soil washed away by rain or, in this case, water. Once you've covered your seeds with the correct amount of soil, you're going to take your spray bottle. This has just plain old tap water. This allows you to easily direct your spraying, and you do not need any kind of fertilizer at this stage. Your seeds will not grow properly, and it could actually harm them. Once you have moistened each one of your seedlings, which on this step, you want to make sure that they're nice and moist. Every other time you water them, they just need to be damp. You don't want to overwater your seeds. That can cause them to not sprout. Once you have gotten it to this stage, you're ready to place it on your sheet pan, which is my shallow tray. This allows that your drainage and excess water from your egg carton to not spread and cause stains all over the place. The last step is to place it in a well-lit area. Mine is going to be the windowsill. This ensures that your seeds get the proper amount of light to start growing. On the back of each package, it should tell you approximately how many days before you see them emerge. For the sunflowers, it's going to be about 7 to 14 days. For the cilantro, it's about 10 to 15 days. After that amount of time, you're going to want them to get 2 or 3 inches tall, and once you've done this, your seeds should be ready to start planting outdoors. Before you start taking them outdoors, you want to make sure that you take them and get them used to being outdoors in that environment since they've been inside. Do this, bring them in, do it for a couple days until they seem like they're doing okay. Once you've done this, you're able to take your scissors once again and cut them into separate sections. This allows you to take each one and plant them in the specific instructions seen on the back of each packet for planting. It should tell you the inches deep and how far apart your rows need to be for the approximate way to have the best seedlings. That's it, and thank you for joining me today.